Right, there we go.
Okay, let's not overdo it with the salt.
Okay, that's all right, chef. I've been told not to overdo it with the salt. What's up, Ilhan?
What's up, auntie?
You're so cute. You want to tell them what we're making today?
Oh, today we're making sliders, which is like small burgers.
So I hear you want to be a chef when you grow up.
Yeah,
Really? Why is that?
because it's fun to cook.
You love cooking?
Yeah.
So today I can just hand it over to you. I'll be your kitchen assistant chef.
Okay.
All right, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna start by making the dressing. Here you go, chef. This is the bowl for your dressing.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got some mayonnaise. So this is actually the recipe for my secret sauce. So I'm just sharing this with you. Okay. You're adorable. All right, so my secret, not so secret sauce. What you need is a cup of mayonnaise.
Which we have here.
Yeah, which we have here.
You put it in now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the whole bowl.
The whole bowl. Wow, you push my hand away. See, nampak tak memang chef sangat. So you can use this, chef.
Oh, okay.
If you
that
like.
sounds much better.
Can I help you, chef?
Yeah, sure.
I'm just gonna help you do this, okay? So when you're cleaning the bowl, just do this, okay? And scrape the sides. There you go, now you got everything.
That looks a lot more than just now.
Yeah, and then you just put it at the side of your bowl. Don't worry about it getting a little bit messy. So if it's messy here, all you need to do is just run your spatula on the side. There we go.
Okay.
Clean, high five, chef.
But make sure you don't crack your bowl when you're hitting it.
Yes, good tip, chef. All right, so now we're gonna add some relish. Do you like relish?
I haven't tried relish before.
Okay.
The entire thing, right?
Yeah, the entire thing.
Should I take this out first?
Yeah, you can. I hold it for you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay. We're gonna use some apple cider vinegar. You can also use like white distilled vinegar.
The whole thing again.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. All right. Now you want to work with the powder. So you've got your onion powder here, and you've got your garlic powder here. So you want 1 teaspoon each.
1 teaspoon.
Yeah, great. And a teaspoon of garlic powder. Perfect, chef, thank you. You can put that aside first. And then, and this is one of my favorite ingredient. This is called smoked paprika. So it's been smoked and it smells amazing. Smell it.
Wow.
Right? So we want to use about a teaspoon as well. Maybe slightly less, like half a teaspoon. That's good. And if you like spicy, you can also add like hot sauce. But we are using mustard.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can add in the mustard. Okay, now you can give it a good mix. You think we should? I think we should add a little bit of salt.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I mean everything needs a little bit of salt, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's looking good,
Yeah, so far it looks good.
right?
A
Gonna
little
help
bit
you
more.
mix it, yeah.
Yeah. But don't stir too fast, later it might spill.
Yes, okay. Judging from the color, I think it needs a little bit more smoked paprika.
Really?
Yeah.
You can judge by the color.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be
What
like a
color
little
should
bit,
it be?
like a pinkish yellowish. All right. So about a teaspoon lah, not half a teaspoon, about a teaspoon. Okay, let's just mix this and then give it a taste.
Okay.
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 Oh, okay, just use your finger. Okay, why not?
It is nice.
Mmm. All right, it's not spicy, so it suits like
Yeah.
if you don't like spicy. Do you like spicy?
Not really.
Okay, then this is perfect. High five.
Yeah.
Well done, Auntie Anis. Well done, Ilhan. All right, now that this is done, we are gonna keep it in the fridge and then we're gonna make our patty.
Okay.
It's gonna be really quick. We're gonna eat in like 15 minutes.
Wait, that fast?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got our minced beef
Okay.
and we're gonna
Put
here
it
you
in
go.
this big bowl.
Yes, chef. We're gonna put our minced beef. We've got a lot of minced beef. I'm just gonna throw everything in there.
Okay.
You wanna get everything out? Now that you know how to use that.
Okay, I have a bad feeling that I'm gonna drop this bowl.
No, okay, I'm gonna help you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Teamwork, that's right. Okay, so now we're gonna put the rest of our ingredients. We've got our onion powder Okay, onion powder, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, throw it in, chef.
All of it.
All of it.
Right. That was a bit faster than I thought.
And then we're gonna use our garlic powder. Alright. And then we've got some fresh onion. Okay. Yeah.
This is onion? I thought it's cheese.
It's onion, smell it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's
So
chopped
the whole
onion.
thing?
Yeah, the whole thing. And then we've got our smoked paprika, about a teaspoon, because we want that smoky taste,
Yeah.
right?
Tastes nicer when it's smoked.
Oh dear, yes. And now we're gonna add in our breadcrumbs, but we're gonna mix it up first.
Okay.
Alright, so now we can mix it using our hands.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you made burgers before?
Well, yeah. It was a veggie patty.
Oh yeah, you just made that recently, right?
Not really recently.
Okay.
Like during MCO.
Ah, and then what did your sister say?
Or she
Your
didn't try it
siblings.
because she didn't want to. She doesn't like burgers. Well, I usually only make it for myself.
Okay, you want to
Is
kind
this
of
enough?
go. No, you kind of want to go all the way down. You want to get all the meat. Yes, like that. Yeah. Got some salt here. And
Okay.
you're gonna mix it evenly. Right, there we go.
Okay, let's not overdo it with the salt.
Okay, let's. All right, chef. I've been told not to overdo it with the salt. See, even Ilhan knows sometimes I oversalt my food. Now I'm gonna crush some black pepper for you. I'll do
Why
all
do
the-
you need to crush the black pepper?
Because it tastes nicer than the ready ones. So what made you wanna be a chef?
Because when I tried cooking, it was really fun.
Do you have other like ambitions, like other things that you think you might want to do?
Maybe a baker.
A bake? Oh, so it's all
Because
it's
before I cooked, I baked cakes and cookies with my siblings and mom.
Oh, that's nice.
So how do I know what it looks like when it's done?
Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. But this looks like it's almost done. But we haven't added our
And-
egg and our breadcrumbs. So
Yeah.
the egg and the breadcrumb is going to be our binding agent. Okay, so that's the thing that's going to hold the meat together. And I'm gonna help you crack an egg.
Okay.
So when you're cracking an egg, I'm just gonna teach you something. You know how
Yeah.
like sometimes when you cook, like you make your instant noodle for
Yeah.
instance, and you wanna add in the egg and you just crack it and you put it in the noodle. What happens if your egg is bad?
Oh.
Then it's going to ruin the whole dish, right?
Yeah.
So you should always crack your egg in a different bowl. And then it's best for you to crack your egg on a flat surface than at the rim of a bowl. Because when you do that, because the rim is quite sharp, right?
Yes.
So when you do that, it's going to create a line on your egg, right? So when it creates a line on your egg, sometimes like little pieces of shell might go into your egg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That happens sometimes.
Yeah, so when you crack it on a flat surface, look, it doesn't go in.
Yeah.
And then you just put both your thumbs, pull it out. You see, it doesn't go in. There we go. Yeah, that's a
Yay.
good tip, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna pour the egg into
In.
the meat, and you can mix it.
Cool.
So the breadcrumb and the egg are the binding agents, like the glue,
But edible glue.
edible glue. All right, we're gonna take this side right here. Just kind of like take it from the side, put it in the center, so it's easier than just like that, right?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Okay, you wanna try that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Smart boy. All right, so now I'm gonna gradually.
Pour some of the
Yeah.
breadcrumbs.
Okay, and then take it from the bottom
Okay.
and then fold it in.
That's
Yeah. Easier, right?
yeah.
Oh, I've also heated the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, okay?
Cool.
I'm gonna take the pan. I've got a pan here. Okay, so I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil
Okay.
in the pan. This is going to avoid the meat from sticking onto my pan.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good. It smells good, right?
I hope it smells good as it tastes.
You hope it tastes as good as it smells.
Yeah. Or even better.
Or even better, yeah. And then we're gonna dump the entire meat.
All of it at once.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
Okay.
And then we're gonna press it. Okay, you do one side, I'm gonna do one side. I'm gonna press it. Yeah, you just wanna fit it into this tray. So let's use our spatula to sort of flatten it. You think we did a great job?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what do you wanna learn next?
Maybe quesadillas?
Oh, quesadillas. Phew, fancy. Can? I love quesadillas. So now we're gonna just try and spread.
Spread it.
Yeah. All right, you think this is good?
Yeah.
Can I pop it in the oven? What do you think?
Let's just make sure there's no cracks at the side.
Let's make sure there's no crack at the side. Yes, boss. Such a smart boy. Okay, I think this looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's see if we've got a little bit more pepper. Just dust it on top. And then we're gonna pop it in the oven. So only once our meat is cooked, we're gonna prep our bread, our buns. And it's just really easy. We're gonna pop it in the oven as well.
Okay.
So no fire action for you today.
Good.
Good, good. You like that? High five.
So that I don't accidentally burn down the entire kitchen.
Oh man, I accidentally high five you with the dirty hand. How now?
Wash hands.
Wash your hands! So now it's been 15 minutes, so we're gonna take our patty out and we're gonna drain the excess fat and excess juices. Look at that, Ilhan, look at how beautiful that is. We're gonna drain this. We're gonna pour all the juices
Into that bowl.
fats into this bowl. And we're gonna arrange the cheese.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven again for about 1 minute.
Oh.
But we're gonna change the setting to grill setting, which means it's just gonna grill the top of your cheese. All right, and we're gonna do our bread as well. So we're gonna pop this in first. There we go. As well. Let's just change it to the grill. And now we're gonna do our buns. So we've got this beautiful dinner roll, and I'm gonna help you slice it in the middle.
Yes. Kids are not good at doing that. One time I did that, I cut so unevenly, like only the top was left the skin.
That's so cute. Let's hope I made an even cut.
That's such an even cut.
It's alright. So we're gonna put it here and here, and you can help me brush.
Okay, so we finally got to use this.
Yes. Have you been wanting to use that? So
Okay.
we've got a melted butter, so you just want to spread it out. Easier for you. Alright, we're just gonna pour it
The rest of it?
The rest of it. We're gonna take this one out in a couple of seconds.
Yeah.
Melty cheese, look at that. It's beautiful. We're gonna leave the bread inside the oven.
For a
We're gonna
minute.
grab the dressing we made with
Yeah.
broccoli and some vegetables.
Cool.
You like vegetables?
Yeah.
Veggies are good for you.
Mhm.
Alright, so our bread is ready. It's nice and toasty. I'm just gonna put it here.
Thank you.
So we're gonna take the bottom of the bread part first. I'm gonna put it here. There we go.
Yay.
Have fun.
Okay, mostly you did it, which actually you did everything. I think we should put this first. So how do I
Special
spread
sauce.
it?
Yeah.
I spread it.
Yeah. Okay. Now you spread our special sauce everywhere.
The sauce is gonna be extra secret because it kind of blends in with the cheese.
Yes.
Okay, that looks nice, good.
That looks good. Let's just try and even out the layer. I'm just gonna put it a little bit. Oh, you wanna put the pickle now?
Yeah. Okay.
What do you think about having 2 on each?
Okay.
All right. Okay. There we go. And then we're gonna put some lettuce.
Cool.
Yeah. Do you think you're gonna make this at home? Again?
Yeah.
So you can basically put anything else you like.
Well, anything except for stuff you can't eat.
Yes, that's true. There we go. And then we're gonna cut our sliders. Okay.
Okay. Yay.
It's done, and we can eat now.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a plate. Look at that, Ilhan. We made a fat burger.
Yeah. Okay.
Good.
Mhm.
Oh, but this is just one fat burger. Ilhan, this is
Yeah.
not a slider. Sorry, guys. What flu?
I think lettuce.
You want to tell them to try this recipe?
Yeah, because it's nice.
And fun to make.
Yes.
Try it, guys.
Mhm.
So good. Our burger pretend to be slider. Don't forget to try it. All right, guys. See you again next time. We're gonna finish this burger. Not slider. Burger.